Okay guys, situation on baby bird. He's right there. He's okay. I think he's just too young to fly, but he keeps on trying. And so he's just resting now, I think. Okay, we need to name this bird. I will put some names in the description box on what we should name him or her. And we will let you guys decide and put your answer in the comments, and we will see who or what the name we choose is. Yeah, sound good? Cool. Don't be scared. Brandon's just gonna help you up.
Oh, come on.
He's trying to help you up.
Oh, good. We're in the corner now.
Corner him!
Oh.
Oh, it's okay.
I think he's just a newbie. He looks like, he's still just a baby.
Oh, he has a cute little like blue stripe on the back, so he doesn't cook in the heat. We're gonna get home.
His nest.
Hey, little friend. Oh, that scared me.
Was it
You were wearing a
Luanda or
brooch.
George?
Where'd the other one go?
Oh no, now there's two out.
I think one is over there,
It's on the sidewalk.
and one went over here.
Okay.
It's like heading towards the street. Oh, it's in the street now.
We're gonna worry about this one.
Oh, dude, it's really hot on your feet. Get out.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
Put him under the big tree with the quail. Maybe they'll adopt it.
Or maybe they'll be territorial.
They are. Oh no, here comes George. Here comes George.
Oh, come on. George.
Here comes George. George and Luanda. Oh. What?
I'm trying to see.
Dude, George, we're trying to save him. We're trying to save him.
Come on, get out of the road. Get out of the road.
We're trying to save him, George. Oh, dude.
I'm just not gonna look.
Dude, don't look. I'm not looking up either. Because it's George. He's probably just gonna, like, peck me to death.
Okay, that was terrifying.
Right? He was like this close to my head. He was like this close to my head, and it was so scary. George!
Come on.
George!
Get off. No, don't freaking.
He dive bombed!
Well,
Oh my gosh. Trust me. Oh,
He's like,
don't you be smart on me.
you barreled in.
Come on, I'm gonna get you, bird. Get out of here.
I'm gonna get you.
You're my personal mission.
We're gonna keep you safe and warm. Look, he has a little blue head.
Like, I can move all this. Trust me, bird.
Come on, little fella.
Come on. Not gonna hurt you.
You're so cute, Brandon.
Come on, birdie.
Oh, you're welcome anytime, bud. It's on our welcome mat. He wants to come in the house.
Come on, I got a treat for you.
He's all like, really?
Sit.
Oh, that would be sad. It's like the other ones up there. Mission accomplished. Oh, George. George.
Here we go, back in.
Oh, mission accomplished. George, you should be happy.
We can stay in there this time.
You should be happy, George. Brandon.
Other one.
Oh, Brandon, don't look up. They went that way. Apparently there was another bird, and he got scared when we were trying to help the other bird up. And so he flew this way,
Yeah,
and the other bird went that way.
The first bird is somewhere over here. The second bird flew towards this tree.
Yeah.
So he jumped on me.
He jumped on me. Yeah, and so we're trying to find it now. I wonder if he flew over the fence.
Oh, hey, look, he did.
Did he? I guess he flew so hard that he went all the way down here. Oh my gosh, there he is.
It's just you and me, little bird. No.
Now we need to name this one too.
No, no.
He's like, help, help.
Ah.
Oh, this one looks... This one
Uh-oh.
seems more
George,
aggressive.
you see me?
Oh, there goes George. I think he's angry now since he heard his baby cry. You angered the bees, Brandon.
Come on.
I'm not even looking. They're all a little slew. Oh, good luck getting him now. There's like 4 birds around him. Oh, here comes help. Oh, there goes. He just got dive bombed by George. Oh, there he goes again.
I'm afraid one of them's gonna hit me.
It might. All 4 of them. Oh, now there's 5 of them. Oh, they're dive bombing. Ah!
Fun.
Is it fun?
I'm liking this.
You like it?
Hey, bird.
Brandon apparently likes this. It's kind of fun, he says. And we are getting dive bombed by 4 or 5 birds, including George and Luanda. George is going berserk. And Brandon keeps on losing it. And George is dive bombing like nobody's business. Let's see if I can't get him on camera dive bombing me. Oh, he dive bombed me. So far, it's going great. One down, stubborn one to go. Well, actually, they're both kind of stubborn. Dude, chill. Oh, this one, like, it looks a little more like... It looks a little more better off.
Come on, bird.
Oh! They're going crazy. Crazy. Oh, mission accomplished! George, you should be happy we saved your kids. We saved your kids, George.
Yeah.
Are you celebrating with us? Yes, heck yeah you are. How do you feel, Brandon?
I feel happy. I mean,
I do too. They're like so darn cute.
no, and they're both alive now.
They're both alive and safe and warm.
And
You're welcome, George. And
clearly
Luana.
the parents aren't gonna disown them because they've been attacking us.
I know, right?
So, yeah, we're gonna call that good.
Okay, cool.
You stay up in there.